Let's talk about changes to SEO Content Machine next for the month of August 2021. If you are an SCM API user, there have been a lot of bug fixes surrounding creating content using the API, and some of those changes have also meant a lot of additional bug fixes have had to occur during the month of August. Now for this month, the article Paraphraser has entered an open beta. Now if you go to new article Paraphraser, you see this text box here that says try it for free. If you have signed up to SCM but have never tried the Paraphraser, you can now click on this link and you'll get 25,000 characters to start rewriting your content. Now the Paraphraser is a sentence level paraphraser tool. So for each article you paste in here, it's going to return you 5 new rewrites for each sentence. 25,000 characters gets you about 5 articles at about 500 words each. So that's to give you a good estimate. Additionally, if you had content that you wanted to rewrite, now if I go down here, it'll tell me how many characters are in my article, how many sentences, approximately how long it take, and how much it will cost to use. Now let's paste in more content. You'll see that the cost gives you a good estimate of how much it's going to cost. If you're going to subscribe and pay for the Paraphraser, you get 1 million characters for only $10. So very cheap, much cheaper than any of its closest competitors such as Word AI. If you are a Chimp Rewriter API user, the code inside SCM has been migrated to use the newer API calls in Chimp Rewriter. This will fix some of the errors that used to occur with it saying the URL parameter was too long. If you are using proxies, you no longer have to clear the proxy list. You can just toggle on and off to disable proxies. One of the big additions in the month of August was to the mass article creator, and now we have the option of using article variables. So the tutorial for article variables is here, available in the link on the right hand side. But basically, once you have your keyword, you can add an article variable. I suggest that you start your variables in uppercase. You have an equals sign, you can type in what you want your variable to be. And a great thing with article variables is that now that we have the my variable for this keyword, if we go to any content insert or custom content or using URLs such as insert links, now this variable, once we wrap it in the macro percentage code, is usable anywhere in the content inserts. So for this keyword, when it sees this variable, it's going to use this variable value at runtime. If you are a writing assistant user, rerun the task to grab new content. It will no longer reset your custom keyword selection. If you want to view the full list of all changes, you can go to the Changelog, and under recent changes, you'll see all the bug fixes as they were added. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, info@seocontentmachine.com.